Well, today on Whiteside's workshop, we're going to attempt to install this gas pump, this fuel pump, in this fuel tank for a 1934 fiberglass Ford coupe. We're going to put an LS motor in the coupe, so we need to install a high pressure fuel pump. I found a fuel pump I think that's going to fit the right height for this fuel tank. This is for a Chevy pickup truck with an LS engine in it, and we're putting LS in the car. So we're going to try and drill a hole. Start out by drilling a hole in the fuel tank with a hole saw and see how it goes. The tank has been emptied, it's been aired out. There's no fuel or no residual fumes left in the tank at all. There's no chance of anything happening bad. So let's mark it out and give it a shot. All right, the clamp ring that goes around here is a homemade one. It's 7 inches in diameter. So we got to be that far from the edges, or there's a divider right here that we got to be that far from. So I'm going to give us a 1/2 inch of extra on each side and go 4 inches in this way, roughly, and 4 inches in this way. So we're 4 inches from the center divider, and we're 4 inches from the edge of the tank. So there's where we're going, right there. Let's get the drill out and see how. Well, I got the hole in there. The pump fits down pretty good. Seat's pretty good. The only problem is this pump comes with a rubber, like a rubber grommet that goes on it. And with a grommet on it, the hole's not big enough. And I would really like to use that grommet to keep everything sealed up good. The 3 3/4 inch hole saw was the closest I had. So we have to make this hole a little bit larger. So we're going to go to plan B for that. Well, I said I was going to do plan B. Here's plan B. Set it up in the Bridgeport with a boring head and bore the last 200 thousandths out of it, so I got a nice fit on that grommet. So let's get machining. I like it. All right, got it bored out. We'll take it back and set the pump in. Okay, we kind of skipped over a little bit, putting the holes in here and putting the nut certs in. This is a nut cert tool you use to install a nut certs. They're kind of like a pop rivet. They go in the hole and you squeeze them and they act like a nut on the other side. And then I had this plate made up. This plate fits right over top of the pump and bolts down on there. The pump actually has a rubber gasket, and the rubber gasket pops in the hole. And then the pump pops in. Because we bored it out on a Bridgeport machine, a milling machine. The pump pops right in there. And the cover goes on. Cover goes on and then the bolts go in. Nice clean installation. It's going to work out good. LS motor in a 34 Ford.